Hello, everybody. I love teaching. So, today I'm going to teach you some important words in English. So, first of all, let me tell you in English, there are a number of words, means I can't explain how many words are there. Okay. There are many suffixes, there are many prefix, बहुत सारे suffix होते हैं, prefix होते हैं, बहुत सारे words होते हैं, root words होते हैं. तो उस तरह से इंग्लिश को बहुत बहुत डीपली ले जाया गया है. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू फ्यू वर्ड्स. द फर्स्ट वर्ड ओवर हियर इज सेंट्री. पहला वर्ड कौन सा है हमारा? ये है सेंट्री. ओके, नाउ जस्ट हैव अ लुक ओवर हियर. यहाँ पर आप लोग देखो, सेंट्री मीन्स सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक वर्ड हमारा सेंट्री से मिला. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सेंट्री से हमारा एक वर्ड मिला सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. दूसरा वर्ड क्या मिला हमारा? सेंट्रिक. थर्ड वर्ड इज सेंट्रीपिटल. ओके, एंड द फोर्थ वर्ड इज सेंट्रिसिटी. नाउ अब ये हमारे एक वर्ड से बहुत सारे वर्ड्स बनते हैं. ओके, तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अगर हम देखें सेंट्रीफ्यूगल, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेंट्रीफ्यूगल? सेंट्री, सेंट्री से हमारा सेंट्रीफ्यूगल बना. इसकी मीनिंग क्या होती है? तो रनिंग अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर, वेयर देयर इज सेंटर. ठीक है, सेंटर से रन अवे करना, रन अवे फ्रॉम द सेंटर, सेंटर से हट जाना. नाउ ओवर हियर इज द अदर वर्ड्स फॉर दिस सेंट्रीफ्यूगल. अगर हम देखेंगे सेंट्रीफ्यूगल के अदर वर्ड्स, तो फर्स्ट वन इज डिसेंट्रलाइजिंग, second one is efferent, motorial. If you will see, there are a number of words, बहुत सारे words आपको मिलेंगे. Okay, so first of all we have studied centrifugal, running away from the center. Now next word is centric, of the center. Now centric, the meaning of centric is of the center, and the words, जो words हमारे निकल रहे हैं center में, of the center, सेंटर में, बिल्कुल मिडिल में, बीच में. इससे हमारे जो वर्ड्स निकल रहे हैं, सेंट्रिकल निकल रहा है एक वर्ड. द फर्स्ट वर्ड इज सेंट्रिकल. द सेकंड वन इज सेंट्रल. सेंट्रल मींस आप सबको पता होगा, यू ऑल मस्ट नो कि सेंटर, सेंटर मींस बीच में, सेंट्रल मींस बीच में. तो एक वर्ड से हमारे बहुत सारे वर्ड्स निकलते हैं. ओके, चलो लेट्स कंटिन्यू. नाउ द थर्ड वन आई टोल्ड यू सेंट्रीपिटल. नाउ सेंट्रीपिटल की मीनिंग इज सीकिंग द सेंटर. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज सेंट्रीपिटल? सेंट्रीपिटल की हमारी मीनिंग है सीकिंग दिस सेंटर. इसका हमारा क्या निकल रहा है? एफरेंट ऑफ नर्व्स एंड नर्व इम्पल्स conveying sensory information from the sense organ to the CNS. What is CNS? Central nervous system. Okay, CNS is central nervous system. तो efferent of nerves, जो nerves हमारी होती हैं, जो नसें होती हैं. ओके, जो नर्व्स होती हैं एंड नर्व के जो इम्पल्स होते हैं, जो हमारा एक्शन पहुंचाता है. ओके, नर्व्स एंड नर्व्स इम्पल्स कन्वेइंग सेंसरी इंफॉर्मेशन. सेंसरी मींस टच करने वाली इंफॉर्मेशन. कोई चीज टच किया, उसकी क्या फीलिंग आई, दैट इज हॉट, कोल्ड, एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. तो कैसी फीलिंग आई, क्या हमारी फीलिंग है, तो वो सेंसरी सेंसरी इंफॉर्मेशन पहुंचाता है फ्रॉम दी सेंस ऑर्गन. सेंस ऑर्गन, मेनी सेंस ऑर्गन आर देयर. सेंस ऑर्गन से कहाँ पहुंचाता है? CNS, सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम. ओके, तो efferent of nerves and nerve impulses conveying sensory information from the sense organ to the CNS. So this was about centripetal. And the another word for centripetal is unifying. This is also another word for centripetal. Okay, now fourth one is centricity, the quality of being at the center. एक क्वालिटी होती है, देयर इज अ क्वालिटी ऑफ बीइंग एट द सेंटर, बिल्कुल सेंटर में रहने की जो क्वालिटी होती है, दैट इज नोन एज सेंट्रिसिटी. इसका हमारा क्या आएगा? सिचुएटेड एट और नियर द सेंटर. या तो बिल्कुल सेंटर पर कोई चीज सिचुएटेड है, ओके, या उसके बगल में सिचुएटेड है. सिचुएटेड एट, सेंटर पर है या नियर द सेंटर, तो दैट इज नोन एज सेंट्रिसिटी. ओके, it's not going up. Excuse me. Now next we come to, what is this next word that we are going to study? Okay, so the next word is side. Now, what is the meaning of this word side? Okay, वेरी सिंपल, दैट किल्स. साइड मीन्स होता है बहुत सारे वर्ड्स में बाद में सफिक्स, कभी पहले प्रीफिक्स, सफिक्स, बहुत सारे वर्ड्स में ऐड होते हैं. तो दिस वन इज साइड. दैट किल्स, जो मारता है. ओके, दैट इज साइड. एक्ट ऑफ किलिंग, मारने के एक्ट को, एक्ट ऑफ किलिंग इज कॉल्ड साइड. नाउ इफ वी सी over here, these are the words. The first word for with we make from side. Side से जो हमारा first word हमको मिलता है patricide. Many people must have listened, बहुत से लोगों ने सुना होगा patricide. Excuse me. Second word we get eurocide. The third word meretricide, and the fourth word is infanticide. These are the four words. Now I'm going to tell you what is the meaning of this word patricide. Okay, from side we get, now over here it is written CIDE, side. ये side लिखा हुआ है, तो इसके पहले हमने ऐड कर दिया पैट्री, तो ये क्या हो गया, पैट्रीसाइड हो गया. इसका मीनिंग होता है, पैट्री मीन्स फादर. तो द किलिंग ऑफ वंस फादर इज पैट्रीसाइड. पैट्री जो होता है, पैट्री, पैट्री का मतलब होता है फादर. तो फादर को मारना, किलिंग ऑफ वंस फादर, अपने खुद के फादर को. ओके, इफ यू आर किलिंग योर ओन फादर, देन दैट वर्ड इज नोन एज पैट्रीसाइड. ओके, दिस इज द वर्ड पैट्रीसाइड. इसका मीनिंग होता है कि आप अपने फादर को खुद से मारो, टू किल योर ओन फादर. एंड दिस वर्ड वी हैव गॉट फ्रॉम हियर साइड, एंड साइड की मीनिंग होती है दैट किल्स. नाउ द सेकंड वर्ड यूरिसाइड, इसका क्या मीनिंग होता है? नाउ आई हैव टोल्ड यू साइड मीन्स किलिंग. साइड का मतलब होता है किलिंग, मारना. Over here again it is written side, CIDE. Again it is written side. Okay, so side means killing. Eurocide means husband who kills his wife. वो husband जो अपनी wife को मारे. The husband which kills his wife is known as euricide. Eurox means wife. Over here UXOR, this word यूरोक्स मीन्स वाइफ. तो जो अपनी हस्बैंड हु किल्स हिज वाइफ, जो हस्बैंड अपने वाइफ को मारे, दैट इज यूरोक्साइड. नाउ मैरिट्रीसाइड, व्हाट इज दिस मैरिट्रीसाइड? मैरिट इज हस्बैंड. नाउ दिस वर्ड मैरिट, MARIT, मैरिट मीन्स हस्बैंड. Married is husband, so matricide is killing of one's husband. If you are killing your own husband, अगर आप अपने husband को मार रहे, married is husband, the meaning of married is husband. So if you are killing your own husband, then this is known as matricide. Okay, so from side, again I am telling you, फिर से मैं आप लोगों को बता रही हूँ, the meaning of side is to kill, मारना. From this we are getting these words patricide. The second one is euricide, and the third one which we get meretricide. Now we are going to see the fourth word, infanticide. Again यहाँ पर CIDE, over here side is there. Okay, side means to kill, मारना. And infanticide, infant means छोटा बच्चा. You all must be knowing infant का मतलब होता है बच्चा. Infant is a child. Over here it is written also for you. Infant is a child. The killing of a child is infanticide. Simple. So killing of the child is infanticide. So again I'm telling you children, patricide, killing your own father. Euricide, husband who kills his wife. Meretricide, meretry means husband. Okay, so meretricide is killing of one's husband, and the fourth one is infanticide, killing of a child. Okay, so this is the another word side. Now from this word we have got so many words. Okay, so this is English. Okay, from a word you get a number of words, and the meaning of one word is also very words. Okay, So this is side. Now next we come to, now next word. What we are going to study is circum. CIRCUM. This is the third word. I'm going to explain it. Circum. Okay. Now this circum, from this word circum, इस word से हमको क्या क्या words मिलते हैं? Okay, from this word circuit, first word which we are getting from this word is circuit. Okay, the second word is circumvallate. Okay, now the third word is circumference and the fourth word is circumlocution. These are the four words which we have got from this word circum. Okay, now this circuit means going around. First of all, we are going to study this word. First word is circuit. So circuit means going around. Okay, over here it is written circle, lap. These are the other words of, you can say synonyms, or you can say other words of this word circuit, going around. The first one is circle, the second one is lap, racing circuit, grouping, law, bench. All these words come in this word circuit. Okay, going around. Now second one is a regular or accustomed course from place to place. एक regular course, okay, from one place to another place. Around. A salesperson on the Delhi Kanpur Lucknow circuit, a popular speaker on the lecture circuit. So over here it is written a salesperson on the Delhi Kanpur Lucknow circuit. एक salesperson कहाँ पर? Delhi Kanpur Lucknow circuit पर. That is the place. Okay. A popular speaker on the lecture circuit. Lecture, a person is standing, so suppose I am standing. Okay, a person is standing and giving the lecture. Okay, so this is the circuit, a popular speaker on the lecture circuit. Okay, now next is circumvallate. What is the meaning of circumvallate? Circumvallate means flying around. Okay, what is the meaning of circumvallate? The meaning of circumvallate is flying around. Third one, we come to circumference, carrying around. What is the meaning of circumference? Circumference की meaning होती है carrying around. Okay. Perimeter. In maths also you must have studied about circumference. Okay. तो perimeter, girth, the distance around a person's body, पर्सन की बॉडी के अराउंड जो डिस्टेंस होती है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सर्कमफ्रेंस. ओके, बॉर्डर, जो बॉर्डर हम बनाते हैं, द बॉर्डर विच वी मेक, दैट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज सर्कमफ्रेंस. बॉर्डर लाइन, बाउंड्री लाइन, डेलिमिटेशन, मेटी, all these things come in circumference. Okay, now second one is edge. In this only, circumference only, edge, limits, border, bounds, outline, boundary, fringe, verge, rim, perimeter, periphery, extremity, ambit. Okay, so all these words come in this word circumference. Now next one and the last word of circum is circumlocution. What is the meaning? First of all, we'll understand the meaning of the word, है ना. पहले हम word की meaning को समझेंगे. After that हम देखेंगे कि उससे हमारे कितने words और निकल रहे. Okay. तो the meaning of circumlocution, the action of speaking around. What is the meaning of circumlocution? एक action, speak करने का, बोलने का. जस्ट मीन्स आई एम स्पीकिंग, मैं बोल रही हूँ ना, आई एम स्पीकिंग, तो एक्शन जो हो रहा है, द एक्शन ऑफ स्पीकिंग अराउंड is known as circumlocution. Okay, the first one. Now ambage, these are all the words. Okay, these are the words: ambage, periphrasis, verbousness, verbosity, equivocation, evasion. These are the words. Another over here also, these are the words: indirectness, redundancy, euphemism, beating about the bush, informal, wordiness, diffuseness, prolixity, discursiveness. Okay, so these are the words. Okay, now I have told you about circum. Again, I am repeating circumvallate. First word circumvallate, second one is circumference, third one is circumlocution. Okay, and over here one word is circuit. These are the four words of circum. Okay, chalo, now we are going to another new word. So children, these are the words. If you will understand these words, okay, when you are going to speak English anywhere, when you are going to talk in English with anybody, then at that time if you know a number of words, okay, अगर आपको बहुत सारे words पता हैं, then you can speak a very good English. Okay, so for that, इस वजह से for that we are telling you कि एक word के बहुत सारे words होते हैं, बहुत सारी meanings होती हैं, there are different suffix, there are different prefix, again I'm telling you, and there are many different meanings. So to learn English, it is very important to learn a number of words and the meaning and different words which are formed from those words. Chalo, now we'll continue. Next, we are going to study clino. Okay. Now the word is clino. CLINO. This is another word. Okay. Now from this clino, we are getting the first one incline, the second one decline. Over here CLINLIN. Okay, third word anticline, and the fourth word ecocline. Okay, now these are the four words again we have got from this word clino. Again we have got these four words: incline, decline, anticline and ecocline. तो अब सबसे पहले जैसे कि हम करते आए हैं, ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी विल स्टडी द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड एंड देन वी विल स्टडी व्हाट, क्या देखेंगे, वी विल स्टडी डिफरेंट वर्ड्स, देयर आर सो मेनी वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू दैट वर्ड. ओके, जैसे क्लीनो, इंक्लाइन. अब इंक्लाइन का मीनिंग क्या है, एट एन एंगल अपॉन, एक एंगल पर. ओके, नाउ इंक्लाइन मीन्स एक एंगल पर. नाउ एंगल पर वी कैन से एक स्लोप होता है एंगल पर. तो देयर आर मेनी वर्ड्स. नाउ द फर्स्ट वन इज ओवर हियर स्लोप. incline at an angle upon. Now slope, side, acclivity, these are so many words you are getting from the word incline. When you will know these words, then you will be able to speak a very good English. Okay, chalo, to slope, side, acclivity, ascent, climb, upgrade, raise, rise first. Okay, now another over here, bank, camber, cant, escarpment, ramp, lean, slope, pitch, tilt. These are another words. So just imagine and think that from this word incline, what we are getting? We are getting so many words. Now here these are the verbs we are getting: predispose, influence, tend, persuade, prejudice, bias, sway, turn, dispose, the factors which incline us towards particular beliefs. Okay, so these are the verbs. Now the next over here is decline. Now from clino we have got the first word incline. These are the different words we are getting from this word incline. Now second is decline. The meaning of decline is at a downward angle. Decline means down, going down. Okay, incline at an angle upon, ऊपर के एंगल पर, decline नीचे के एंगल पे. Okay, at a downward angle, नीचे के एंगल पर, that is known as decline. Now, to express polite refusal, बहुत polite, very polite refusal, बहुत politely refusal को express करना, to express polite refusal. Now, the first word is diminution, decrease. Okay, diminution, decrease. The second one is decrement, retrogress, regress, retrograde, ebb, ebbing, wane, dismiss, refuse, reject, spurn, turn down. These are the different words of decline. Okay. Chalo, over here also just have a look. Deterioration, fall. I told you na कि decline मतलब नीचे गिरना. तो fall is also a word. Failing, किसी चीज में fail हो जाना. Okay. Slump, weakening, decay, worsening, descent, downturn, disintegration, degeneration, atrophy, decrepitude, retrogression, enfeeblement. Okay, now Rome's decline in the 50th century, waning, dying, failing, collapsing. Now over here it's a sentence also. Rome's decline in which century? Fifth, sorry, not 15th, 5th century. Rome's decline in the 5th century. Waning, dying. Dying is also another word. Because if we go down, if we fall down, if we decline, then we will die. So this is another word. Okay, failing, collapsing, collapse kar jana. Okay, collapse means just finish. Crumbling, decaying, on the way out, obsolescent. So these are the words. Now, the fourth one is ecocline. Because of clino, we have studied incline, decline. Now, anticline. Okay, anticline is also left. Anticline, against the angle. तो ये हमारा हो गया incline हो गया, decline होगा. अब anticline जो है against the angle. Angle के against, anti. Anti means anti एक word ही ऐसा है कि against, किसी चीज के against जाना, खिलाफ जाना. Okay, तो anticline against the angle, angle के against. Over here also the words are there. These all I told you. Okay. Now the fourth one is ecocline, the angle of homes. What is this now? Eco, home. Okay. Ecocline, angles or the angle of homes. A genetic gradient of adaptability to an environment, gradient formed by the merger of ecotypes. Okay. जेनेटिक ग्रेडियंट जो होता है ऑफ एडेप्टेबिलिटी, कुछ चीज अडेप्ट करना, एडेप्टेबिलिटी. ओके, अडेप्ट करना टू एन एनवायरमेंटल ग्रेडियंट, जो एनवायरनमेंट जैसा भी है उस एनवायरनमेंट को अडेप्ट करना. ओके, फॉर्मेड बाय द मर्ज ऑफ इको टाइप्स. ओके, नाउ this I told you clino, about clino. So these are the different words. Okay, about those words, study about those words. Okay, now I'm just going through over here. You can say I'm just giving you a homework type. Okay, what is the homework? I'm telling you, just write down in your copies corp. Acha, first thing that I must tell you, very important, I just forgot to tell you, what is English, children? English is, you don't have to write anything in English. Okay, English is what you have to speak. Okay, in maths you can write, in other subjects you can write, but in English, the most important thing for practicing English is to speak. If you will speak, okay, if you will listen, if you will speak, then only you can able to understand English. Chalo, Now over here I'm telling you what is your homework. This is corp. Okay, corp means hota hai body. What is the meaning of corp? The meaning of corp is body. Over here it is written. Okay. Now this is corporal. First one is corporal. Second one is corporate, and the third one is corpse. Now, what you have to do, you have to search, you have to find out different words of corporal, corporate, corpse. Okay. And over here, you have to write the meaning of corporal. What is the meaning of corporal? What is the meaning of corporate? And what is the meaning of corpse? So, in this way, try to solve these four words. Try to do these four words on your own. Okay, then only you can understand, because already I have told you these words over here. I have told you these words now. Century. First one is century, side. Okay, circum, clino. These words I told you the meaning and the number of words we get from these words. Okay, so in the same way, just try to solve this. This is the word I'm giving you, corp, and the meaning is body. Meaning क्या होता है corp का? Body होता है. And corporal, corporate, corpse. Okay, now over here you'll have to write down different words. Try to do it on your own. Okay, otherwise I'll do it for you. Now the second one is creed. Creed मतलब होता है belief. Belief मतलब होता है यकीन. What is creed? यकीन, belief. तो इसी creed से, from this creed we have got credible. First word we got is credible. The second one is credence, and the third one is incredible. These are the three words we have got from the word creed, which means believe. Okay. So, from this word, we have got these three words. And acha, now try to make out what is the meaning of credible, what is the meaning of credence, and what is the meaning of incredible. पहले credible है, the second one is credence, and the third one is incredible. Try to find out the meaning, and then after that try to find out different words, many words. You can get many words from this word. Okay, so today we'll study till here, and then in next class I will tell you another number of words from which we can get many words. Okay, and then we'll study some idioms and phrases also, because ये भी बहुत ज़रूरी है हमारे English के लिए, क्योंकि when we speak a very good English ना, and in that if we use any idiom, or suppose we are using any phrase, so it looks it sounds very nice. Okay, so to learn a very good English, fluent in English, to be a very fluent person in English, you have to go through and go through English. Okay, so thank you everybody, have a good day.